Hajj is an important pillar of Islam. And as Muslims, we all yearn to undertake and perform this blessed pilgrimage of Hajj. And what is the reward of Hajj? Why do we yearn to go to those blessed lands, those sacred lands of Haramain Sharifain, to fulfill the rite of Hajj? In one hadith, the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man hajja walam yarfuth walam yafsuq raja'a ka yawmi waladathu ummuhu." Whoever performs Hajj and he does not do any indecent act, he doesn't speak immorally or do any immoral act, then he will return like the day his mother gave birth to him. What does this mean? This means he will come back free of sins. When a baby is born, it's free of sins. It's only when a person grows up, the obligations of Sharia are binding upon him. That is when a person falls into error and sin, shortcomings, transgressions. But when a person is born, they're free of sin. So subhanAllah, this is why Muslims across the globe look forward to the months of Hajj. They yearn to go to Hajj. They pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to provide them with the asbab, the means of Hajj as well. And this is why, because we return free of sins. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all this sa'adah, this good fortune of performing Hajj this year and many times in our lifetime.